Isang magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. A good friend and a follower asked me kung matibay daw ba yung 600 watt na inverter na ito. And my reply was, with all honesty, I just received this yesterday. So, you ask me again after maybe a month or two, and I'll tell you. But I know of a way to find out kung matibay o hindi. But this is in no way scientific or far from being safe. Inuulit ko po, never do this at home. Sa mga bata po nakikinig, wag po ninyong gagawin ito. Sa mga adult po, never do this at home. Kung nasa office, pwede. Just kidding. So, ito po yung paraan na yun. So, first, I have to wear some face protection. Okay. So, ito po ay naka-plug na. Pwede niyo marinig. So, naka-plug na po siya. You turn this on to prove na meron po siyang current. So, that's a 220 bulb. Na sacrificial bulb. So, meron na po siya. So, umaandar po siya. Naka-plug po siya sa ating Powerhouse Mini. Ito po yung inverter, umaandar. One way to find out if your inverter is really matibay is you do this. First, we need some protection. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. See? Ulitin po natin, ha? Sino-short ko po yung output niya. And the thing is continuously running. See? I-try po natin kung gumagana pa siya talaga. We will plug this extension again and see if the desktop is going to run. There you go. So after shorting it, maandar pa rin po yung desktop. Nulit ko po, don't do that at home. Wag po nyung gagawin yun. Ito pong inverter na to ay marked with 3 dots. So if you're going to buy an inverter, wag po nyung kukunin yung may 3 dots. Kasi ito yung sinort ko. So to me, if an inverter can handle that, matibay-tibay to. Kasi not all inverters can do that. If you want, you can try that with your own inverter and see what happens. So, there you have it. All I know is, I know the manufacturer, I know the reputation. I took some time to choose, and it showed me the manufacturing, the circuit board. Yes, it's a little bit pricey than what you see in the market, but at least sigurado tayo. So, there you have it. Kung matibay siya, I think it is. Thank you.